You know, you have to let me go. I know this isn't what you want to hear, but I know you can feel that it's the right thing to do. Not for me, but for you. I can't give you what you need, what you want, or what you deserve, so you just have to let me go. You can't keep expecting me to change. You can't keep twisting up the words I say to fit your expectations of what could be. We'll never be what you want us to be. And for that, I really am sorry. You have no idea how much it hurts me that I hurt you, because I just can't make myself love you. You'll finally understand why